I did a complete total replacement of the transmission fluid pressure sensor switch. I was able to remove this protector plate or whatever it's called, shield thingy, so I will easily be able to get to it. The switch that I need to replace. The screws up through the front bumper area, right there and there, and from underneath there's a couple screws. Let's let this work. Any other tools were not working. Here we go. A little bit more. Oh, finally. Here's the fluid. On the phone a little bit. That'll be good for my phone. I finally removed transmission fluid pressure sensor switch. Oops. The new one, the old one. Oops. Good. Put this on. A little bit more. Oh my gosh. Tighten it up. Oops. So I couldn't use the ratchet, you just have to use a regular wrench. It's the only thing that fits in here is this 7/8 inch. I'm using this end, obviously. Plug it in. So it looks good. The codes are cleared.